How to replace the better wheel spacers for Mercedes G-Class.
A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your G-Class is by installing Mercedes wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they're installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. If you want to replace the better wheel spacers for Mercedes G-Class, don't miss this video. Replacing wheel spacers requires careful attention to details and adherence to proper procedures. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to replace wheel spacers. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the stock bolt on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side stock bolt. Install a wheel hanger. Remove the wheel and set it to the side. Remove the old bolt and the wheel hanger. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a blade cleaner to remove it. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS FT-cooling Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers. Then install the matching wheel bolts. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers is the FT-cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install a wheel hanger, and then install the ring and the stock bolt. Use a torque wrench to tighten the stock bolt on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the stock bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the new Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.